Oh, my dress. Hi. We are live. We're going to this event at the Museum of Fine Arts. It's music on the patio. So let me turn around. My camera's really filthy. I apologize for that. So, look, like the Oslo Opera House. They've built a sloping walkway. This is great. It's lovely. So you're coming with me. I wish my purse wasn't swinging on my arm. That would be better. Alright, well, so I'm going to cross the street and yeah. This is where we're at. Oh, very sunny, you guys. So this is the Glasshouse School of Art. I'm going to assume that Lana knows that we've got clearance. Anyway, thanks. Hi, you're joining me as I'm crossing the street. And so yeah, we're going to check out the event. Come with us.
Are you still on?
I am.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Sorry, I was engaged in a phone call.
No, I wasn't filming you. It's all right.
Oh.
I was filming myself.
You weren't filming me?
Let's go see the bean.
You're gonna try to have me walk right past the bar?
No, let's do the bean first. Come on. The bean. I know. So, yeah.
And there's not that many people here. Nobody come.
Nobody come. Anyway, okay. Hi there. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so here's the vibe behind us. I got a purse hanging from my arm, so I can't really hold this. So, hey, hi. I got a dress on. Oh, and some high heels. But anyway, but it's okay because everybody's dressed in all kinds of ways. Look what's behind me. Hold up. Yeah, we're going to go check it out. It's a bean. So yeah, we're gonna look at this.
I guess it's not technically.
Aw. Hey Lana, we have our picture reflected in every other kind of random item across the.
Oh well, here.
Oh my, that's a great skyline. And so anyway, there's some bicycles and yeah. So I'm not going to continue to film. I'll do a second live video maybe, but I thought I would go ahead and film this. And yeah, we haven't been here before. How neat. Yeah, so this is the Glasshouse School of Art in Houston, Texas, and we're in the Museum District, obviously. But this is new. This construction is new. It's fabulous. Yeah, good stuff. And look at the bean.
Everybody's waiting on that.
Oh yeah, who, me or just everyone in general? Let's go look up at the bean. Oh shoot. Okay.
Doing a pano.
Oh, pano. Okay. I'll turn it back to me. Oh, it didn't turn back to me. It did something weird.
I went to the top.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's my thing. Oh, hey, hi again. See, I've got this, you'll see, I've got this purse hanging from my arm. It's a pain in the butt. Anyway. Oh, let me turn around. So yeah, I forgot, it's going to butt up to the sculpture garden, which is a really cool sculpture garden, by the way. If I had time, I would take you guys through this because this is a really, really good sculpture garden. I really wish I would have taken my friends from Norway here. Oh, does it seem like it? Hey, neat. I'm gonna go check it out from over here. Huh. Let's peek through the construction too. Look at that beautiful church over there. I'm an architecture nerd. Oh, gorgeous. Oh yeah, I love the new addition. No, I'm not. I'm just checking it out.
This looks suspiciously like they may put something to view.
Yes, and look at the church.
It's gorgeous to probably tell me.
Yeah, they're doing lots of work. I'm liking all of it. What are we supposed to host next year, Lana? The World Cup?
No.
Well, we're in the running.
Cities.
Hey, in the running. Why would we not be? Yeah. So if I had time, inclination, and a long enough, oh, there we are, walking by. Video, I could show you guys some sculpture in here. So,
Time, inclination.
right, you could like comment down there if you want to like see some sculpture, and I'll walk through here. Otherwise, I'm going to end this live video because you know what? They have booze over there for sale, and we want some. Hold on, let me get Lan in this video. Oh, hey, hi.
Oh god, that's a very dirty camera.
Oh, it's filthy. Hi, we're gonna go get booze. Bye.